And they're off. There's Fantasticus, Balperazim, and Still Shade of Me. It's Balperazim with the lead. Still Shade of Me races in second. Fantasticus is third. Sweetest Peach down at the rail in fourth. Bird Foo is fifth, 6 lengths from the front. McGillicuddy's Gals on the outside with Pegasus, Sapphire, and at the back is Field Star in eighth. The quarter, 23 and 3/5 seconds. Big long shot, Balperazim has the lead by 2 lengths over the gray, Still Shade of Me. Bird Foo down at the rail, now within 3 lengths of the lead. Then it's Fantasticus, who's racing in fourth as the field moves for the top of the stretch. Balperazim. Here comes Still Shade of Me on the outside. They enter the stretch, the half in 47 and 3. Still Shade of Me takes the lead from Balperazim, and Bird Foo is on the outside and gaining ground on Still Shade of Me. Fantasticus is now third. They come down for the 16th pole. Here's Bird Foo now to take over. Fantasticus moves to second. It will be Bird Foo by a length and a half. Fantasticus second. Still Shade of Me was third, and Balperazim finished fourth. Number 3, Bird Foo was first. Number 6, Fantasticus second. Number 2, Still Shade of Me was third. And number 4, Balperazim finished fourth. Results unofficial. 3, 6, 2, and 4. 6 furlongs, 1 minute 13.56 seconds. The second race is official. The winner, number 3, Bird Foo, a 4-year-old bay filly by Fusaichi Pegasus. From AP Test by AP&D. Bird Foo is owned by Drawing Away Stable and David Jacobson. Trained by David Jacobson. And the winning rider, Ramon Dominguez. Now 18 victories shy of career win number 5,000.